In this paper, we present texture sliding, a novel approach to recovering geometric information by perturbing texture coordinates. We focus on the specific application of capturing virtual clothing on the body. Given the body in a specific pose, our objective is to train a deep neural network to predict the material behavior of clothing. Existing neural networks trained to infer cloth shape often predict overly smooth meshes, as shown on the right. Ground truth wrinkles and folds are especially challenging for networks to predict due to their high frequency and irregularity. Given an existing neural network, we introduce a second network that acts as a post-process to slide the texture coordinates of the overly smooth inferred cloth. Texture sliding is implemented on a per-camera, per-vertex basis. Note that the lighting is removed from the scene but can be handled separately. To generate ground truth texture sliding data, we compute texture coordinate displacements such that the inferred cloth visually matches the ground truth as much as possible from a given camera view. Even though the geometry of the inferred cloth remains the same, the rendered image visually resembles the ground truth data. Given texture sliding results from two camera views, stereo reconstruction can be used to recover the ground truth geometry. To illustrate the concept behind texture sliding, we look at texture sliding corrected meshes from a moving camera, shown on the left. Note that the inferred mesh with texture sliding correctives appears similar to the ground truth shown on the right. Now on the right, the same corrected meshes are viewed from a fixed front-facing camera. Here, the texture can be seen sliding around on the inferred mesh as the camera view changes. Using texture sliding results from multiple camera views, we reconstruct the ground truth cloth using triangulation. Since the information embedded in the texture sliding results is transferred to the cloth geometry, lighting can be re-added and the resulting reconstruction is almost identical to the ground truth. To predict texture sliding for novel poses, we propose a texture sliding neural network, or TSNN. The network is composed of a series of transposed convolutions, and the outputs are front and back pixel-based cloth images, storing the texture coordinate displacements. Using TSNNs trained on multiple camera views, we reconstruct the cloth for a novel pose. Thanks for watching.